Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up a chowder at the pit, and it's real easy to do. And we're talking clam chowder, right from scratch. All right. For this recipe, you're going to need some potatoes, and we have some red potatoes here. Use a good quality potato, and we're cutting them up into bite-sized chunks because we're making a chowder or a soup. All right. Simple enough. And what we're going to do is simmer them. Make them al dente, all right? We don't want to cook them through. We just want to cook them just a bit, and we'll finish it off in the chowder. Now, you're going to need an onion. We'll chop up an onion. Got a red onion, and it's rooster approved. Here we've got some celery. A couple of stalks of celery will do. You chop them up. And here we've got a leek. Whoa. This is going to be good, right? So you slice up your leek and chop it up. You know all about that, right? Oh, man. Now, if you've never had clam chowder before, you definitely got to check it out. This is some good eating at the pit. Now, we're going to add a carrot to this, add a little sweetness. And you can peel the carrot just using your old hickory. We're using our 7-inch butcher. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good, chickens. All right, here we've got a little bit of time. Plenty of time, right? We just chop that up a little bit. And here we've got about 1.5 pounds of bacon. We're going to use about half of this, and we're going to cut it up into 1-inch strips, right? Cut it up small. Now, drop it in a big pan, and we're going to fry it. Now the bacon is going to add some fat to this chowder. It smells good. Simple enough, right? Now the veggies have been chopped up, of course, and now we're going to add them to the pot. Here, Slasher's adding a half a stick of unsalted butter. Oh, nice creaminess. And for the stock, we've got chicken stock. We got about 5 cups there. We'll add another 5 cups. And we also have some clam stock or a fish stock. Either or, what you can get. Right? There goes that other 5 cups of chicken broth going in. Perfect. All right. Give it a stir with the old hick. This is going to be good, I'm telling you. All right. We'll bring that up to heat. Nice. All right. Everything's simmering away. Potatoes, I'd say, are just about done. So we'll just drain them off in the old colander. Just like that. Again, they're still a little bit hard. We want to finish them off in the soup itself or in the chowder. Now let's fire up our Park grill. We sell these, you can check them out. And this is how we're going to open up our clams. Now you could steam them open, but we like doing them this way. Doesn't take long. You put them direct over medium heat and they'll open up for you. Simple enough. We're going to try to hang on to as much nectar as we can in these clams, right? It's that clam juice that's really important, adds all that flavor, and you could see that. Oh, man. A couple of those are ready to come off the grill already. It only takes 4 or 5 minutes. So we're going to take off the open ones. Perfect. Some are opening up a little bit slower, but they'll come. Look at that. Oh, man. We've got a couple different types of clams there. We've got little necks. And the larger ones are cherry stones. Perfect, right? Now you could use a chowder clam, which is much bigger, sometimes called quahogs, but these cherry stones and little necks are just perfect. Now what we're doing here is cutting out the meat, of course, and trying to hold on to some of that clam nectar. Look at that. Easy to do, right? Oh, we're eating good tonight, Martha. You got to stop by. Check this out. Look at that. Oh, man. That's good enough to eat already. And actually it is. Now we're going to chop them up fine. Those little necks you can leave whole if you want. Float in your chowder. That's all up to you. Pitmaster privilege. The little necks are fine, man. I like to eat those raw, huh? All right. We're pretty much chopped up. And we've got maybe 3 pounds of chopped clams there, more or less. Whoa, don't lose it. Otherwise, we'll have to go clamming. That's not easy to do. All right. Perfect. Now our park grill is heated up. And we're going to place that stock pot right on the top with all those veggies. And here, we're going to take those al dente potatoes, throw them in. Ooh, perfect. And here we've got the clams chopped. There's a lot more clams than this. You ever get one of them clam chowders in a can? Maybe find a couple clams? Oh yeah. You do it like this, and there's a ton of clams with every spoonful. Look at that. Now we're going to add a little bit of half and half. All right. This is not New England style. Add a little bit of cream just for add a little thickness to this chowder. And it doesn't take long. You don't want to bring it to boil. You want to just simmer it just a few. You want to bring the potatoes to finish. And here is the old taste test. Oh man, probably needs a little bit of SPG, right? A little salt, pepper, maybe a little garlic flavoring. It's up to you. Man, this is gonna be good. I've said that 10 times already, but I'm telling you, there's nothing like clam chowder, especially on a cold day. Oh man, it'll warm your soul, get you through a cold winter. Now, I say it's time to eat. Chowder's ready. Phew. It's time to bowl it up. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Lord have mercy.
Get one more, Joe.
How about a bowl?
Cool.
Man, no kidding. And this is where we're apologizing for eating in front of you, but we call this Pitmaster privilege. And if you don't get it, you're on the wrong damn channel, man. Hoo-wee. Now there's no pit boy meetup without doing a little bit of toasting. This is a toast to Jack, and it just doesn't get any better than this, right? So cheers, and BBQ Pit Boys for life. So be sure to subscribe or follow us. And start your own chapter by going to our website. We appreciate your support. Thumbs up. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.